Good morning, everybody. It is the day before spring break. This is the last day, that we're going to ask you to do a little bit of work for us before you have about 10 days off. You'll have off Friday till Monday, April the 13th, and then we'll be back at it Tuesday, April 14th for about another month. So we don't have that much time left. So do make sure that you are using this time to your advantage and really getting started. The only thing that you have to do today is work on your Renaissance rough draft. So today I will compare the Middle Ages and the Renaissance so that I can understand the differences between the Middle Ages and the Renaissance. I will know I have it when I have developed an argument about how the Renaissance changed man's thinking about the world based on evidence. So today you're writing your rough draft. If you have any questions, please make sure that you're reaching out. There is a video available to you about how to set up that essay, what each body paragraph really should be focusing on. Feel free to use the documents, but also that graphic organizer that we did. Remember, the main focus of your essay, even though you're answering the question, how did the Renaissance change man's thinking in the world, is that you're focusing on the change in man's thinking from the Middle Ages to the Renaissance, and really focusing on comparing those two in your essay. As you finish, go ahead and share it with me via Google Docs, or you can turn it in on Unified Classroom. Either way works. If you don't finish it today, not a problem. Make sure that you're continuing to send it to me as you finish over spring break, and I will be kind of giving you some feedback on those before your final draft is due after spring break. When we get back from spring break, your big focus will be Romeo and Juliet, kind of doing a project with that to kind of show your analysis of it, recreating it, and we'll work on that for about a week. Your final draft of the Renaissance essay will be due at the end of that time. Hopefully you'll spend a lot of time writing the rough draft so that your final draft becomes really, really simple. And then we'll kind of switch gears and go into our final project of the semester. Keep in mind there is no SOLs, thank goodness. And so we're going to be kind of evaluating your knowledge of the content in a little bit of a different way. So be on the lookout for that. On Tuesday, April the 14th, we'll come back to school. We will have Google Meets on that day. First period will meet at 9:30 and second period will meet at 10:30. It will be important that you tune into those because we'll kind of be going over what the Romeo and Juliet project is so that you have a good understanding. We will record those so that if you need to watch them back later, Mr. Martin will be able to post those for you. Have a great day. Have a great spring break. Keep in mind we won't be answering any email or reminds over spring break. We're going to be completely taking a nice little break. I think everybody kind of really needs that at this point. We've all been kind of rushing to and fro. If you need to use spring break to turn in work, that's totally fine. Please do turn that in, email us, let us know that you're turning it in, but just keep in mind that we probably won't be replying. I hope you guys have a great day, have a great spring break, get some rest.